Welcome to the City of Philadelphia Employees Combined Campaign Online Giving Guide. In this tutorial, you will learn how to get started by logging in, select a payment method, choose your favorite charities to support, review and submit your pledge, and finally modify or make additional donations. Getting started. Visit www.phila.gov/combined campaign. Click the red Give Now button. You will be automatically directed to the campaign giving portal found at bit.ly/phillygive. Please note, the URL is case sensitive. Click the red Give Now button or click Sign In from the top right corner of the site. Let's get started by logging in to the platform. All city employees should enter the following credentials to log in. Your username is the first initial plus the last initial plus your payroll ID. For example, a person named John Doe with the payroll ID of 123456 would use the username JD123456. Please enter information as it appears on your pay stub. Your password is your first initial plus your last name. For example, a person named John Doe would use the password JDoe. Please note the password is case sensitive. The password should be all lowercase. Please do not include any special characters. Click Give Now to start the pledge process. After you click Give Now, the next screen you see on your computer will depend on whether you are a new or a returning donor. Which one are you? A new donor is someone who did not participate in last year's campaign or are a new employee. You are considered a new donor. If you participated in last year's campaign and made a pledge, you are considered a returning donor. Returning donors. Since you donated through last year's campaign, you have the option to renew your gifts from last campaign season, or you can start a new designation and pick new charities to support. If you are a returning donor and would like to renew or modify a gift from last year, after you click the Renew a Gift button, a drop-down list will appear with your pledge history. Click on the circular radio button next to the gift you would like to renew to view an expanded box with details about that gift, including which charity was supported and how much you donated. You can either keep all pledge details the same, or you can increase your pledge by entering a new gift total. If you made edits to your pledge, click the Make Changes button to continue the pledge process. If you do not wish to make any changes and would like to renew your gift from last year with the same pledge details as last year, click Checkout. By clicking Checkout, you will be submitting your pledge for processing immediately and will be done with the donation process. Now it's time to select a payment method. From the pop-up box that appears on your screen, click Add next to your preferred payment method. After you click Add, the pop-up box will close and automatically take you to the gift payment setup page. New, we've added electronic check as a donation payment method this year. Giving by payroll deduction. Enter the amount you would like to donate per pay period. After you enter your amount per pay period, the system will automatically calculate your total annual gift based on your per pay period frequency and will display that information on the right side of the page. Please note, the amount you enter is the amount you would like to donate per pay period. You may edit your payment information at any time during the donation process. Click Continue to proceed to the next step, selecting charities to support. As you enter the amount you would like to donate per pay period, please note, There is a minimum donation of $2 per pay period to each charity. That is $52 per charity annually. New this year, giving by electronic check. The amount you enter is the total annual gift amount you would like to donate. For details on how to locate banking information, click the icon next to Bank Account. Be sure to check the box at the bottom of the screen to authorize the transaction. Once you enter an amount, that information will display on the right side of your screen under the Your Pledge So Far section. Giving by credit card. Unlike with payroll deduction, the amount you enter for credit card is the total annual gift amount you would like to donate. That information will display on the right side of your screen under the Your Pledge So Far section. Please remember, the annual gift amount you donate must be a minimum of $52 per charity. You may edit your payment information at any time during the donation process. Click Continue to proceed to the next step, selecting charities to support. Now it's time to find a charity to support. Click the Find a Charity button to search for charities. When you find a charity to support, click Add, and that charity will display at the bottom under the Selected Charities section. You can add as many charities as you want, and once you have finished adding those charities, you can click the Add to Designation button. Now it's time to designate your pledge. The organizations you selected will now display on your list of charity designations. Now you can allocate your total pledge amount between the organizations you have added to your list. To specify how much money to donate to each, use the slider tool or enter the exact amount in the donation box next to the charity. You can use the Find a Charity tool to add more charities to your list. You may also select the previous button to adjust your total gift amount. This will not impact the charity selections you have already made. Click Continue when you are ready to move on to the next step, submitting your donation. Again, please note, there is a minimum donation of $2 per pay period to each charity. That is $52 per charity annually. Now it's time to review and submit your pledge. You will have one final chance to review your gift and designations, and will also be able to select whether your gifts remain anonymous or grant permission to have your contact information shared with the charity or charities you've supported through the campaign. Click Finish to submit your pledge. Within minutes of clicking Finish, your pledge receipt will be emailed to you. Please keep a copy of that email for tax purposes. Modifying a gift or making additional donations. If you would like to make additional donations or edit your pledge, you may edit your payroll donations anytime during the campaign enrollment period. Simply log into the pledge site, select Give Now, then select Modify a Gift from this campaign to edit an existing donation you made during this campaign year. Or select Start a New Gift and Designations to make a donation in addition to the pledges you have already submitted. Please note, if you select Modify a Gift, you must complete all steps of the process and resubmit that gift. Otherwise, your gift will be rendered incomplete and will not be processed. Need help? For assistance, email phillysupport@charities.org. Submit a support request online at www.charities.org/support or call 703-222-3861.